In this video I'll show you step by step to join the latest trend on TikTok and then how to use the iAnime filter quickly and easily. First you need to download the app from Play Store or App Store app called FacePlay. And then open it up. Next scroll down and find a template that you like. All of these are not free, so just find a free one. I found this free template. Once you've selected a template, tap where it says free to use. And now you have two different options. You can either take photo right now from your camera or select a photo from your gallery. I'll select a photo from my gallery. Next tap on confirm. And now it's going to take some time to do its thing. Once that's done, tap on the save. After that, open the TikTok app. Click on search button on top right. And search for iAnime filter CapCut. And then select any one of these videos. Then tap where it says CapCut, try this template. And then tap use template in CapCut. And it will open up the CapCut app. If you don't have CapCut, install it from the Play Store. And then tap use template. And now select photos at the top. After that, select your photo without the filter. And then select the photo with the filter. Once you've selected those photos, tap on preview. And then tap at the button at top right corner of the screen. And now you can post this to TikTok as you would when uploading a regular TikTok post.